joined the stream. Rysel has joined the stream. Cheese. Testing 223. Rysel. It is still freezing a little but less than before. Acceptable God has joined the stream. Acceptable God. Hi, I want to offer promotion of your channel. Viewers, followers, views, chatbots. The price is lower. Cheese. Riz. Cheese. Mute them.
Testing 1 2 3. Is my mic good?
Rysel. Banned.
Thank you, Riz. Very cool. Much appreciated.
Rysel.
You can hear me.
I can
good.
hear you.
That's good enough for me. I don't know what this playlist is, but apparently it has Adrian. I forgot his name. Anyways, I forgot to open my Unity. I'll go open my Unity.
Rysel. Also, footage isn't freezing anymore.
Good, lovely. I love when that works. Yeah. So, pro tip of the day: restart your computer and don't have SteamVR running. Which project am I doing? This one. Okay. Right, so my ideas for today, which I started previously but didn't get anywhere, is make the less shit level editor. Specifically for Mechanical Madness 2, but you can use it for other things. I won't, because, I don't have anything else to use it for. And also, possibly at some point, make more Twitch chat based toys, because they're kind of funny, and I should do that, yeah. They are fun to program and feature viewer interaction, of which I have at least one. Unity is taking its sweet time. Brody. Telling me I have a chat setting. Ooh, shield mode. Ooh, what does that mean? I don't care. I'm not gonna click it. Yeah, this video is kind of cringe, so if I get some strange Unity application instead. Ah, beautiful. If you have any ideas, Riz, yeah. Please. I want something strange and interactive instead of this video as my starting student screen. Ooh.
Kata has joined the stream.
Hello, Kata. Adrian Brody. Come on, Unity. I know you want to. Should have loaded it before, but I won't. This is banging. Yeah, Adrian Brody. Oh, I think Unity's launched. No, it hasn't. Now there we go. Oi. Adrian Brody. Okay, let me show you what I've got so far. Wait. Right, so I've got these axes handles which you can drag with your mouse. It's not the most exciting thing I've ever programmed, but hey, it works. Brody, Adrian Brody, Adrian Brody. Adrian Brody. Oh yeah, Q and E doesn't move up and down, so I might want to bind a new axis for that, although I don't know what to call it. I don't want to call it vertical 2, it's not very... Maybe I'll just do the bad strategy and permanently bind it in the camera script. What are you gonna do about it? Which one is it? Oh, yeah. Music. I love music. Yippee! Come on, turn on the syntax highlighting. You know you want to. No? Okay, that's fine. Don't do it.
Lilituff has joined the stream. Drapsnat.
Hello, new
has joined
people.
the stream.
How are you doing? What? Why is it not highlighting anything? What? What? Oh my god. Terrible, terrible software. Right, so I think first order of business is make the handles only move on the right axis. Because currently they don't. Ooh. Yeah, because you can move it sideways. I should lock it so you can move it up and down. And then I can make it so that you can select a thingy. That'll be the next step. Right, I think... Let's get Enum, maybe. Enum? Is that a good way to do it? Is that a good way of doing it? Oh, fuck it, I'll just do a vector for now. Click vector free axis. Or rather local axis, but no one cares. Oh, wait, no, this goes in the handle script. There we go. Private vector free start pause equals root dot position. There we go. Right. Then rather than just setting it, we'll clamp it. We'll project it onto. Yeah, we'll just project it. Oh god, it's this one. It's no, I'm skipping this one. Fuck you. No. Not again.
Alicidra has joined the stream.
Hello. Equals vector free dot project. Yeah. Project. Oh, that's pretty easy. That's just the axis, right? And then that's just root dot position minus start pause. And then I think we just add start pause on afterwards. And then that might work. Yeah, that should work. Handle, yeah, so you are on the y-axis, x-axis, z-axis, yippee! Look at that, Riz. You proud of me? You proud of me, Riz? Oh, that makes sense, actually. Yeah, I was kind of expecting this to not be great. Yeah, that's weird. Oh, that's weird. Yeah, so the problem is, if you're head-on, right, and you try and grab this, normally in an editor it would, like, very much exaggerate the movement, but here it's kind of nerfed. Which, yeah, you can just reorient the camera, but it's still a bit annoying. I think it will do for now. It's not like it's hard to change later. Wait. Yeah. Right, okay, what should we move? Riz, what model should I allow to be selectable and draggable around? Preferably something from one of my other projects so I can just steal it in like 5 seconds. I'm thinking a traffic cone, although I don't remember if I made a traffic cone, so it'll probably have to be the wheelie bin. BRB while I go steal assets from myself. Where's Mechanical Madness 1? Assets, models, ooh, GTO, ooh, it's GTO. Is that the American muscle car? Probably. Prius, RS2000, 200
Ryzen. Unity Charm.
Unity Charm. No, I can't use Unity Charm. I thought I had a wheelie bin. Is it not in this folder? Where the fuck did I put the wheelie bin model? Oh, it's this one. Bin.blend. Alright, we'll drag those in. Oh, I'm gonna have to model a road for this, although I can steal most of this stuff from the train project, because I need to reuse all the... I've just realized I left an ETA time on this screen. I should probably get rid of that. Oh, no, that's not the right label. There we go. Wait. There we go, fixed it. Right, so we got this tyre model in it. Yeah, there we go, we got a tyre. Lovely. And we got a wheelie bin. Lovely, mate, in it. Beautiful, beautiful. So, yeah. I think we should make the wheelie bin a selectable object. Wheelie bin. What? Why is my shift key working? What? Oh, it's... Dumbass. I'm trying to type text into the fucking... Oh my god. Wheelie bin. Is that how you spell wheelie bin? I don't care. Oop. Let's get rid of that cube. I don't think I ever needed that cube. Right, so... Where's the camera? I think we need... Editor... Selection Manager. I think that's what we need. Yeah. Looks quite funky. Right, what do we do with this script? Probably the same thing as handle grabber, isn't it? Different mouse button. Let's just copy all the code. Yeah. Okay, and we probably need like a script for a selectable object. What would you call a selectable object?
Has joined the stream.
Hey, Revox!
Hi.
Welcome to this exciting live stream where I make a wheelie bin editable. You can edit the wheelie bin's position and or rotation. Yeah, let me just show you. I hope you like webcore. Ooh, right, so yeah, I've got these handles. Ooh, you can drag them. Ooh. If only the wheelie bin was attached to these handles and I could move the wheelie bin around. Yes.
Rate walks. So awesome, I wish wheelie bins were real.
Me too, bestie, me too. I love when Unity takes 5 hours to load. Right. Yeah. I don't feel like we need anything important in here for now. Wait. Editor, selection manager, right, so we'll do camera, okay, handle, kernel, we'll have editor selected. Selectable object. Selected object. Right, so oh no. If mouse 1, I think this is quite simple. I think we did the raycast, right? And then we check for editors, selectable object. Ooh. Actually, I think that's it. I think that's all the code we need. Oh well, let's see. This wheelie bin has a collider, right? We need to give it a collider. That'll do. The variable camera of thingy is not being assigned. I can arrange that. Right, so did it work? Oh, no, I made it private. Oops. Okay, so I've selected the wheelie bin, but I can't unselect the wheelie bin. I know this is gonna cause problems, but oh well. Okay. Select and then unselect. Ooh. Very fancy, very fancy, very fancy. Right.
Great Walks. What Vocaloid song should I make my Animal Crossing town tune?
What Vocalong song should I make? That's a good question. Let me consult the elders. Where are the Vocamoids hiding? I swear to God. Lag train, have fun, good luck. Oh yes, Great Walks. Yes, you know how I have the coming soon and the BRB screen thing where it's just a video? I should make it some weird Unity project.
Great Walks. Real.
That is like interactive and stuff. Any terrible ideas?
Great Walks. Wait, what videos and how can they be interactive?
What? No, because you know, hang on. Like I've got this one, right? Like the BRB screen that I have for the other things, right? I could make it instead of a video of a Unity game. I could just make it a Unity game that's weird and has Twitch commands. Ooh. Yeah.
Great Walks. Swagful.
Yes.
Great Walks. What about your horse racing game?
Horse racing game. Oh, yes, I'd have to finish that one. Whee. I hate that it doesn't work like that. Maybe there's something I can do about that. Most of the time it shouldn't be an issue. Variable handles game object. Oh, that does make sense, doesn't it? There we go. Right, so... Boop. Oh, whoa, look at that. I can select it and it'll have handles. Whoa. Handles moment. Whoa. Whoa. Oh. Yeah, I did foresee this, that when you click off, when you click a handle, it counts as clicking off of the bin, and then it unselects it. Oopsie doopsie. What do I do about this? I think we need to program an interface. At least I think. At least I think I should. We will call this iEditor Gizmo, which I'm sure will never ever clash with the Gizmo's namespace of Unity. It's fine, don't worry about it.
What is this whimsical time?
Whimsical time tune? Oh, let me go find for you. Oh. 32 seconds. Ooh, it's Canals by Pilot Red Song. Very whimsical. Unit 8. Oh my gosh.
Great walks. Also, unfortunately, the train has a couple too many notes to fit in.
The train was too laggy, oh no. There should be an interface, right? I just did this, right? An interface? Yeah, look at me, I know code. I don't think I need anything else. I'm probably just gonna... That'll be fine. Right, I think. Okay. iEditor Gizmo equals false equals no equals no. Yeah, there we go. That should work. Whoa, selectable wheelie bin? Whoa, oh. Yeah, okay, that makes sense. Selectable handle grabber. Handle translation. Wait, just any handle should inherit from iGizmo? iEditor Gizmo, yeah. A banging song. Oh, selectable. Whoa. 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 Click off. Whoa. This is crazy. If only the bin was attached to the handle. I think it needs some functions. Actually, really the same functions as a handle. Oh. Oh, that's it? Okay. Ooh. I don't think we need to pass these as an argument. But yeah, pretty much that. Right, I think we need new script. Editor, selectable object. Oh god, oh no, oh I've ruined everything. Oh no, I should give him a short name. And this will be translatable. Translation. I think that's correct. New script, please. Yes. Whoopee! We should get Irdna in here. Where's Irdna? Right, so this will inherit from editor selectable.
Irdna 100 said what unitying.
I need to close some of these. There's too many. My brain is stupid and I can only think about one thing at a time.
Said maybe a bit later. Irdna 100 said eating now. Right, we need to override that. And we need to override that. Okay, so I think we need some sort of function that's like request translator handles. I don't think that this selection script... Where is the selection script? I don't think this script should actually be in charge of showing and hiding the handles. I think this object, when it's selected, it should go, hello, handles please. I need translation handles. Ooh. And then it'll request them, and then the translation handle thing will be like, oh, you want translation handles? Oh, why didn't you say so? Handle manager, yeah. I'm sure this will never go wrong. Handle manager, don't mind if I do. Public static instance public static handle manager instance. There we go. Like instance instance equals this, right? And then public stat game object what do I put? Handle game objects public transform handle TF public transform target TF. There we go.
Public. What am I doing? Void. Request handles. There we go. Right, and then what do we pass an argument? Just transform. That should be fine, right? Transform TF. Yeah, probably. Target TF equals TF. So the release handles. Release handles. Ooh. Equals no. Pretty simple, innit, governor? And then update. Actually, late update. Target. If target TF is not equal to null.
Great walks. Okay, I did Wonder of Wonder by Dan Iwell.
Hang on, let me go listen to it for reference. Banger.
Great walks. OMG Isabel sings IT to you.
Yeah, and she's like, oh, that sounds familiar. I don't know if she always says that. I presume she just always says that. And then here we just set it to false, and you don't need to pass any arguments to do. Right, so when you're selected, you want handle manager dot instance dot request handles, and then we'll put our TF in, and then we'll just release the handles. Yeah. No, release handles. There we go. And then you, oh god, yeah, you just get rid of that. Oh, we're gonna have to do like selected object dot on select begin. On select. We should probably rename that to on select end. Yeah, that'll be fine. Like let's say deselect, but that's harder to write. I love writing things. How many years long is this song? Wait! Update handles. No. Of course it doesn't! Right, rate walks. Place your bets. What? No. 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 Well, that was anticlimactic. Oh, I didn't set up any handle manager, did I? That would explain a lot, yes. Yeah, you go, Miku. If I get... That could probably be private. Oh yeah. Right. Will it work? No. Fuck. What did I do wrong this time? Oh, probably having both attached. Problem. It just works now. I'm not gonna question it. So yeah. Whoa. Whoa. What's this? Whoa. Crazy. Yeah, ideally these handles would scale based on how far the camera is. But that's fine. So, I have a question. What if we got a bunch of wheelie bins? Right, lads, let's move multiple of them. I love moving things. Oh, what's that? It doesn't fucking work for some reason. Great. Why? What? Why? 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 What? Handle manager.instance, you bastard? Ooh. Oh, it's because I set it active. I set active to false, so it doesn't run the code. I forgot about that. Just move it like really high and then I don't have to look at it. How about that? What? What? Multiple bin selection? What? Wow, look at this. It's just like a video game. Okay, what do I do next? Do I make it so you can rotate the bins? I might have to open Blender and model a torus. Yeah. And by model a torus, I mean use the torus generator to generate a torus, but you know what I meant. You can't know! It's not allowed. Why is it knowing? What is there to know in here? That's what there is to know in here.
Ray Force. What are the bins for?
Well, I didn't have any other models, but I'm making a level editor for Mechanical Madness 2, one that is less bad than the previous one. It's already like a billion times more intuitive, because it was bad previously, believe it or not. Ooh. Should I add rotation first? Or do I add track? You know, the bit that I'm actually here for. Probably, no, I'll probably need rotation before I add track anyways, because we need to rotate the track. Ooh. Right, rotation has some problems that I'm very aware of, and I don't really want to fix. But, what you gonna do? Alright, I guess we have rotation handles. I'm gonna do it the same way as like Unity does, so you have like, you have W and E, which you can switch between. I don't think I'm gonna add scaling. I don't think there's anything that needs scaling, so yeah. But yeah, editor controls, oh, isn't it fancy? But in Unity itself, ooh, you can't select nothing. Damn. Oh, you can. Okay. Whatever. What the hell? What? Why does that happen? Look, if you select this and you select like the white background first, it won't let you deselect, but you select this and then select that. What the fuck? How have I managed that? What sort of eldritch logic is going on here? It's probably something weird with the selection manager. Oh yes. That makes sense. Okay, I get it. Equal If it is null, then we have to do the droppy code. Wait. And if not, you can do this code. And that means we can remove the... Yeah. Here's me thinking I can do something fancy. Nope. And then click here, deselects it properly. Oh, look at me, such a mad lad. Yeah, okay, rotation handles time. Right, what's the dimensions of these? Because I want to keep the same proportions. It's 5 by 5 meters by 0.2 meters. Okay. Blender, please. Blender. Look at my ancient ass version of Blender. Ooh. Spooky, terrifying even. Let's get a ring. Create. I would like a torus, please. Look at me, I'm following the Blender tutorial, guys. I'm so good. Right, so outer radius was 5 meters. Yes. Because the length of these is 5 meters, yes. And then the minor radius. Oh, I see. Okay, so that's 0.1. Is that the same proportions approximately? Because I don't want it to... Yeah, it's kind of skinny. Yeah, that should be fine. That should be fine. Right, so then I just need to mess with the poly count to make it look good. What the fuck? Okay, let's try that again. Right, how do I, can I smooth shade? No, I probably have to finish the model first. Wireframe, ooh. Major segments, how about, I feel like this is a bit too many polygons, but you know, it'll be smooth, trust me. 64, let's try that. Yeah, that'll do. I can always go back and change it. Yeah. So how do I shade smooth? Oh god. Oh god, how do I fucking use this? How do I shade smooth? Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Auto smooth. Wait. And then angle. Angle. Let's go to edit mode. Why? Why? Why do you hate me? I just want my model to be shaded smooth. Can you shade my model smooth, please? Oh god. No, I don't remember the keyboard shortcuts, so I'll just deal with it later. Export FBX. Excuse me while I remember where I save my files. The Unity, no, because it's on the E drive, isn't it? Unity, GitHub, -2. There we go, lovely. We'll call this rotation ring. What a great model name. Export as for books. Right. Some changes on it. Yeah, no, it cares. Desktop. Rotation ring. What? Ring of rotation. Oh my gosh. Let me put the axes things on them and make 3 of them. What? Crazy. Right, so this is that's the Z one, right? Ooh. Hang on, we should make a new folder. This will be position, position. And then we'll drag you into there. And then this one will be rotation. And then we'll just drag you into there. Actually, we don't need all of you. This will be Z. X. We'll do X first. That makes more sense. And then we'll rotate you by 90 degrees. 90 degrees. Away. And then we'll assign that material. Ooh. That's not X. Now that's X. Right, Control Z, Control V. Y. Okay, so Y-axis is up, so we need you to rotate that way, and then, ooh, and then this one will be Z. So I don't think we need to rotate this one at all. We can just put the thing in it. Yeah, and then I've just noticed that the model is scaled up, so we should go put that back. Boop, boop. Yep. Oh, fuck. There we go. Whoa. Position and rotation handles. Oh, I'm so crazy. I can drag these now if I program them to do anything. Right. Okay, now what? Handle manager. Yeah, I guess we have to add it to the handle manager.
Today is one of those days stuck between yesterday and tomorrow. Everything to go, everywhere to do. Hot sun dripping down the window. Count your teardrops, oh, 114 of them, sing. Count your teardrops, oh, 114 of them, sing. Today is one of those days. Seem like the green light burned out, and where to begin just doesn't fall in. Forget what your move was about. Count your teardrops, oh, 114 of them, sing.
That's very specific. Right. Oh wait, no, I can't just run it. I've got to say things about it.
Today is one of those days that carries you slowly into next time. And as those walk by, you see your
rotation. Yeah, it works. It does have the slight issue that if I move forward in the camera, it'll switch modes, but oh well. What can you do? The answer is fix it later, because I don't want to deal with that right now. Yeah, so we just need to make a new handle script, like this handle translation, but we'll do a handle rotation. Ooh, look at me. Handle underscore rotation is. I should probably steal some of my VR code for this, because the VR grabbing code has a lot of similar stuff. What's the easiest way to do this? We'll just copy all this code for now because we the exact same thing but different. Maybe if we used a signed angle, I think that could work. Yeah, that could work. I think that could work. Right. Do start rotation, returning local grab pause. Yeah, we probably need local grab pause. Probably? I think we do. Maybe. Yeah, that could work. Axis. Yeah, we definitely need axis. Right, so grab start pause equals mouse pause. That's easy enough, isn't it? So then the rest is some annoying quaternion math, pretty much. Why is it complaining? Oh, it's because we're not inheriting from handle, I think. Yeah, there we go. Start rot. Oh, that one's easy also. Start rot equals root dot rotation. We should probably flatten everything along the axis. Yeah, let's just work on the angle. Float angle equals angle bit rather. Angle bit equals vector free dot signed angle. Right, what do we need for that? From? Well, from will be grab start pause. Okay, and then 2 will be mass pause, and then axis will be, that's just the axis, there we go. Easy! Right, let's make a function for this. Private void flatten vector. Pause. It needs to return the vector free. Oh no, I've been pinged. I must resist the urge to tech it. No, I don't. What have I been pinged about? Ooh. Basically, if you have a real-world map, you can get the 2D map data from OSM, but it's not fictional. Propaganda is when a British person takes a good look at something. Oh yes. Disney announces Toy Story 2, Frozen 3, Zootopia 2, and 7,000 layoffs. Whoa. Whoa. Spicy. Buy Dark Souls. Look inside. Okay.
So anyways, I've been working on Poe's side.
Nice. Okay, back to code. That was a nice meme break. Let's go with return. Vector free dot. Projectile plane. Axis plus root dot position. Wait. Right, so if I'm thinking correctly, which I'm not, we could do that, right? And then I've just realized. Yeah, we'll do that later. I love that as I program things, I get to realize all the way I've fucked up in advance, and there is nothing I can do. I just have to finish what I'm doing and think about it later. Start raw. Whoa. Dot rotate. Dot rotate. Dot. Let me just times the amount of rotation. Angle axis. Yeah. Yeah. Angle axis. Yeah. Angle will be angle diff. Axis will be axis. Why are you not happy? Come on. Cannot. Oh. Yeah. Right, let's see if that works. Oh no, that's not Unity. That's my face. Hideous. Hey.
Please.
Hey! Hang on, I need to
British man.
Hello, Edna. How are you doing?
Have you started streaming?
Yeah. I've been streaming for ages.
You haven't posted a link in Shilling Zone.
Did I not?
Oh, you
Hang on.
have. No, never mind. I'm
Skill issue.
fine.
I'll stream for your benefit so you can immediately see what I'm working on.
Okay.
Hey. Right.
How many people are watching? Who's in chat? Let's see.
Maybe Riz. Probably Ratwalks.
Why did you call me specifically? I have like 7 hours of experience in Unity.
Yeah, but it's funny.
Okay.
I do have a GitHub set up for this. You want to push it? Ooh, it'll be terrible.
Not now. Maybe later, but not now.
But yeah, let me show you what I have got right now.
I have a question. In the bottom right of your stream, you have your weird spiky hair character.
Yeah. I prefer Gremlin.
Okay. So if you have it there, you have a camera, right? Why not just animate it?
But because FaceRig takes all my CPU. Okay, I have a CPU issue. Anyways, look at this, Irna. Translation handles. Ooh.
No, hold on. I'm looking on the stream, which is like 18 seconds late. Okay.
I streamed on Discord though.
I know. I'm blind.
Wait. There you go. Isn't that fancy? And look, you can do rotation handles, which I haven't tested, so I'm not going to test immediately.
How many polygons is that rotation handle?
Enough.
Excessive.
Oh, fuck.
Does it do absolute or relative rotation? You should be able to do both, cheese.
Well, what's the difference?
Relative is if it's parented to an object, it will rotate along its axis.
But it's not parented to an object, because you don't get access to a tree.
What the...
Oh my god, everyone's here.
No, I just pissed off Kobe last night. Yesterday.
Nice.
Fuck. Earlier, I meant. And I told him I'm not gonna join. And I joined this one.
What the cockaroo is this?
I just realized I
I
didn't
just want
put
to
a-
sort out Yes Minister, okay?
Well, you can't always
Um,
join this voice chat.
Well, another day, Kobe. He'll be
Yeah,
fine.
like, for tomorrow, you dipshit.
No,
well,
not tomorrow.
It
After
came
11
through your
now.
fucking Xbox!
What about Monday, you cunt? Like, you said the weekend.
Oh,
you
got-
lied to me.
You can't swear on this
Well,
thing, okay.
other weekends. I never said what weekend. Did I?
Yes, you did. You said
Oh.
next weekend.
Okay, well, how about at 4 a.m. for you?
Erdna, look,
do
it
that,
works.
Erdna.
Erdna, look. My code works. Right?
Idna, are you able to do Monday at some point Monday?
No,
Okay, you can't do tomorrow.
no.
You are the embodiment of my pain. Alright, I hope you enjoy
know.
yourself.
Erdna, look.
Yeah, but you're rotating on one axis. Prove it works and all.
I'm specifically resisting the urge to do that because I know for a fact it doesn't. Whoa. But you see. Oh, wait, what? How the fuck does that still work? There's no way this works.
Ratwox asked a very good question half an hour
Oh.
ago.
Oh,
What are the bins for, cheese?
wait, Mechanical Madness. This is the only. No one gave me a model, right? So, you know. Yeah, as you can see, some rotation
Go back,
fuckery is
go
going
back
on.
to the Q tool.
Q.
The translation tool. That's a bit of a problem, don't you?
It's fine. Don't worry about it.
Well, then this next thing's fixed clearly.
Yes.
On grab a begin. It's so ominous.
It's fairly ominous, you know.
Callbacks are always very ominous.
Yes.
Yeah, has joined the stream.
Yeah, the problem is that the axis isn't local, so I probably have to times it by... I'll just do dot transform direction. There we go.
You know, one of them. Try all the functions so it works. All of the all of the functions so it works.
If you think about it, making a game is just arranging all the functions in the right order.
Yeah, but you have to write the functions too.
Not all of them.
Most of them.
But yeah, if you think about it, isn't all my code just about arranging the functions that come with Unity in the right order?
But yes.
Ooh, yeah, look at that, it actually works correctly now.
But no, rotate it.
Yeah, and then you rotate it, and then look, the forward axis is
Along other axes.
I know the rotation doesn't work still, but
Oh, that's it.
Works fine. It works fine. Yeah.
I can see that. Jeez. Have you considered getting a new CPU?
Sure.
Okay.
I
How
don't know
more
anything
are you?
about CPUs.
Well, you said you'd consider it because your CPU dies non-stop.
Wait, it doesn't die.
You also
it's
said
just quite
that if
slow.
you would get new CPU, you played DRL Valley. Therefore, I'm up for it.
Okay, but I don't know anything about CPUs, therefore fight me.
Okay.
Okay.
What is your budget?
I don't know. I don't know
Well,
how
then-
much a better CPU would cost here, but therefore I do not have a budget.
What do you have currently? You have a 2020G?
Yes.
Let us see what it is.
You got a PC Power Picker? Ooh. Or the
No.
benchmarking one that I forgot the name of and don't care about.
No, PC Power Picker doesn't pick up my local stores, which I absolutely hate. So I don't do it up.
Star Raws, Quaternion Access.
You could do it by hand, but it's slower.
Oh. Oh. Okay, so I think we need to...
You have... Oh yeah, you have integrated graphics, don't you?
Yeah, but I don't use them anymore. 'cause-
You should.
What do you mean
Like
I
just-
should use them?
Well, okay, if you separate things that don't really need them, you get that 1 extra FPS for games.
Yeah, but
Like, imagine running
surely
Visual Studio
the
on-
integrated graphics
Yeah.
are taking CPU cycles that I could be using for something else here. No, I'm not exactly GPU bound here.
I'm not actually sure if that's how that works, but probably yes.
Wait, it's literally doing the graphics for this, unless it's got like a graphics chip built in. But regardless.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
Okay.
It could be entirely separate. I don't know how it
Yeah.
works.
Me neither.
AM4, that's what I was looking for. Okay, let us see what we can find. Amazon. What was Amazon again?
Amazon? It was like the knockoff Amazon.
The what? I cannot hear you over you crunching your plastic.
I'm sorry, I'm gonna crunch a bit more. Okay, say again.
What was Amazon?
What Amazon? What context?
In VTOL mods, I think?
Yeah, I asked someone to make me like a Amazon skin for the AWACS, for the refuel plane.
Oh,
But like,
and it was an off-brand name, okay.
yeah, we can't name it a real thing. That would be illegal.
Well, you could pay all the way up to $500 for a new CPU.
Oh, I don't want to do that. That sounds like,
Although, that's
$500.
practically server grade, so...
yeah, that seems a bit excessive. Here, no. Oh! Ah! No, look at this.
what have you done?
Ooh.
This is some Stormworks shit right here. This is how the Stormworks
Speaking of
developer-
Stormworks shit, I read the comments on that not an update log they posted.
on the physics. Yeah?
Yeah, well, apart from the physics sensor, which is just what?
It detects physics.
Apparently they're going to be making a different game that's not Stormworks 2, but it is a vehicle physics building game.
Wait, what?
I didn't screenshot it, but if you look in the comments on the Steam forums, there's like someone
I
who's like,
don't want that, no.
TLDR, our engine is too spaghetti fucked that it's impossible to push updates to it anymore, so we're giving up.
Yep. Okay. Gonna
So,
be even worse on the sec. Why do your bins spawn in the sky?
because the origin is in the center, and it would have been hard to align them to the ground.
Hilarious.
I don't know if I should move that, but oh well, it doesn't matter for now. Oh god, this code is questionable at best. What the fuck? Hang on, I want to do a full rotation. It must be possible. Look,
No, it's not. It's limited to 90 degrees. Or 180.
why doesn't it want to do a full rotation? What have I done?
Because, okay, you're using mouse to Delta X in this case, or both
I'm
of
not. I'm using the absolute mouse position. You clown.
them?
It's supposed to like point at your mouse, right? So it'll point at the
Yes.
closest point on your mouse. Well, it's clearly not because it's not going as far. Does this function return degrees? In degrees, okay. Back into plane.
I love turning 2D into 3D. It's always very fun to do, or vice versa.
Yeah, I clearly have not got it right, but
As long as you face the axis, it works fine. See?
that's not what I want.
Also, okay, can you pause? Can you pause everything? Stop everything. Stop everything and open the Unity editor.
What,
Jeez.
Unity?
Yeah. Okay, and click on something to get the gizmos. Okay, yeah. Make the blue one on your gizmo ever so slightly darker. It looks very pale.
I could just get the color value, but fuck you.
You could also just make it fully blue to get all them. Yeah, it looks
I hate
paused.
that. I don't know. Right, so does the rotation at least work on all axes? Okay, I have a theory as to why it's like
Now
this.
fix the mouse movement off.
What mouse movement?
The mouse movement.
What about it? It's fine.
You can do 360-degree turns.
Do you need to?
Yes.
What the fuck?
I suspect because your camera is tilted relative to the plane of the blue thing.
Yeah, I'm doing lots of weird flattening of the mouse position.
Yeah. Yeah.
Weird.
You're gonna have to.
I
adjust for
suspect
that.
the actual bug isn't in this code at all. I suspect it's in the dragging script. Handle grabber. I bet it's in here.
What's a more unreasonable name to name this than handle grabber?
Wait, it grabs the handle. I don't know what you want me to say.
Okay. Yeah, for the translation too, you have that problem where getting further away doesn't actually move it. So when you click on the mouse, when you click on an axis, you have to imagine that plane, or axis I guess, when it comes to the transform tool, and you have to adjust your mouse for that, like your mouse movement.
Yeah, but I don't want to right now.
That's very fun. You should do it before I murder you, because you're gonna,
We
you
can-
know
we can make-
you're not gonna change this cheese.
That's what you think, clown. Well, I'm the clown
I'm sure
in
of
this
it, because-
instance, but you know.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm gonna make a little house out of bins. I've decided. Average London apartment be like.
Do you not have plane moving like Unity?
No, that would have required more code.
I mean, to be fair, nothing but Unity has it as far as I know. So like, and like other
Everything has
engines,
it. What are you talking
The-
about?
what I've played does not.
Well, that's because you have a problem and you play bad video games.
Yes.
Yes, exactly.
Also, what software didn't have it? That was really awful. It was some kind of free software to make 3D models badly. It didn't have it because yeah.
Fuck if I know.
See, that's not a house. It's just an arch, an arc.
Yeah, I don't have
Arch?
enough bins to make a house that isn't the shape here.
Spawn more bins.
What? That can be the next step. Shall I make a bin spawning menu next?
Yes.
Or should I make the handles shrink when you get close so that you can actually fucking click them?
No, you should probably fix that when you at the same time you fix the I'm forgetting my English here. At the same time you fix the mouse movement. Mouse trans
I don't think so.
mapping, I guess.
I don't think so.
Yes. How hard can it be to make them shrink, right?
Sorry.
How hard can it make them how hard can it be to make them shrink,
Well,
right?
if we look at Strike Eagle's code, very. But I think Strike Eagle has a skill issue.
Yeah, but okay, Chase still doesn't do it properly though. It's in Tangram, it doesn't scale that way, as far as I know. Because his chips grow with size, which is, I don't believe, a good thing.
Yes.
Like in planes they can be like kilometers across because of how he scales things.
Yes.
I don't like that. Yeah, I don't like how he does it. Are you dead?
No, I'm just thinking. Well.
Camera, the fuck.
The fuck? Yes. Handle TF equals dot scale, lossy scale.
What's the losses here?
It's lossy for reasons.
Oh. Vector.1.
Wait. No, that's not right. How well do you think this is gonna work?
I don't know, I haven't looked at it. I was reading other things. Is chat in your stream, The chat is conveniently placed so you cannot see like the first 27 characters of the code.
It's fine. They weren't important anyways.
That's so they don't steal your code. That's your code stealing
yeah.
prevention.
Yeah, that's my code stealing preventions.
Bin.
Erdna, do you have any fun ideas for use case? So you know I have this thing, right? The fucking BRB screen, right?
Yeah.
Any ideas for fun toys I could put there instead? And by toys I mean things that are actually Unity games that are running and not. Okay, it's the scaling is right though. It's just too big.
Yeah.
Yeah. I hope this won't fuck up.
Okay,
though.
that was hilarious.
It was pretty funny.
Well, yeah, it sizes because you made them so big originally. Well, no, just change. No, just change their size in game. Because you've made them like very large.
No, because
So
it's getting rescaled constantly. It doesn't matter if I change the scale.
What?
Because it's
Yeah, but
getting
because they're-
resized constantly by a script. It doesn't matter what the initial scale is.
Oh.
Am I still streaming the right thing? I am. Anyways, yes, one of my bad ideas for a Twitch-based idle game thing. So, you know point-and-click adventures, right? Sorry, text-based adventures, right?
Yeah.
Okay, what if we had like a majority vote text-based adventure based on what Twitch chat says?
That sounds hilarious.
It does sound hilarious, doesn't it?
But also, why would you hate yourself so much that you'd have to write a text-based adventure game?
Well, I wasn't gonna make it actually text-based because I'm funnier than that.
Like, even then.
Yes, it is a terrible idea. It would take.
Can you write
at
stories?
least, like, sorry?
Can you write stories?
No, but you see,
Neither.
most text-based adventure games aren't actually stories. That's the secret, you know. Yeah. Ooh, it's quite fun.
So,
At least.
like,
It should
large.
render in front, obviously, but that would require writing a shader.
No, I want to see you do that. Sounds fun.
It's not that hard. I just have to fucking set its position in the depth
I never
buffer to
split
be
that,
unreasonably close. Ooh, is it small enough? No, it's still too big.
No.
It's half it. That's not how that works! Oh yeah, Erdna, I asked Marsh to upload a new thingy for the multiplayer mod sync thing. You know the one.
The loader?
Yeah, do you want to test it whenever you get around to pushing?
Maybe.
Because I still don't have permissions to upload stuff myself. But yeah.
I was gonna say they're too thick, but at the same time they don't have arrowheads, so I can't really imagine them as arrows.
Yeah. They're thick so I can click them because I have a skill issue here. No.
No, I said I was gonna say they're not thick enough.
I think it's alright. You know? Right, do I
if you have
make
arrow-
track now? Do I make track? Because I feel like that's the next step. Apart from
Track.
It's either I make an object spawning menu or I make track. Like
Object
racetrack.
spawning, clearly.
Object
Cheese.
spawning,
Okay,
yes.
what is your game about?
Well, it's Mechanical Madness 2 here.
What is it about?
It's about car.
Okay, and tracks, right? And racing tracks.
Okay, so
Is that how you describe it to someone who doesn't know what the game is?
wait, no, I'd say it's like marbles on stream, but both cars instead of marbles.
Okay, besides that. So, you have racetracks and cars, right? That's the base of the game.
Yes.
That's why you should implement them last.
Fuck you. Why should I implement them last year? Now, come on.
You'll have time to think about the mistakes you make, and
I already
because you don't
time
have
to
the
make that mistake.
because you don't have the base of the game, you'll have to rework everything in the end.
Why would I have to rework everything?
If it doesn't work properly, or if you're missing things that you forgot about, like a menu for how the track works or something. I don't know.
Okay, right. Now the other question
That
is,
what I'm saying is
do I-
entirely sarcastic. You should make the
do-
track first because
Okay,
yes.
fine. Right. So do I just steal all the bits from the train stuff because I don't have any models to racetrack right now, or do I model racetrack right now?
You cannot steal them from the previous project. The track.
No, because they didn't use 3D models to generate the track. It was literally like
Oh, that's
coordinates
right,
of the fucking
yes.
cross section of the track. So,
You
yeah.
probably just steal it back.
Steal
But make
the
it
train
wider. Scale it so it's like one very wide track.
Train track.
Ultra broad gauge.
Ultra broad gauge. That sounds hilarious. Right, let me just go steal train tools from the last project I used train tools in. And then we have to, like, gut it so it's no longer train tools, because that won't work. But we still want to keep, like, the track generation scripts, I think.
Why do you have it? What's the bruh? I want to see what's in the bruh.
Oh, yeah, I forgot you can see that.
What is that it? Oh, is that your end of your project?
It looks like the first-person shooter.
Yeah, like your end of your project, no?
Maybe I copied everything. There's no scripts in here.
Oh, that's a good point. Wait, what? What?
Fuck if I know.
Sorry, what?
Fuck if I know what this project is, bro.
No, I'm more worried about why can't you not access your own files?
I don't know. Can I try doing it as administrator? It's probably because it's on my external drive and it's being fucky or some shit.
Your computer hasn't had a problem for like as long as I've known you.
Yeah, hasn't changed. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Not gonna question that. Yeah, there's nothing special in here. It's just train tools and some assets from the game. That's weird. I wonder why that is. Maybe it was a project I used to fix, like maybe my train tools project. The first version should have broke at some point. I tried to manually repair that project. That's my current best theory.
Maybe.
Where's the...
Shaderland?
Yeah, you've never been?
No.
Trains.
Now we import it and we fix all the fun bugs.
We don't have to fix any
Did you,
bugs.
did you know what I had to fucking do last night at like 2 AM?
What?
So, I upgraded Minecraft. I upgraded the version of Minecraft on my Minecraft server, my personal Minecraft server.
Yeah.
We have a mod that allows you to often, because people don't buy the game, because we're all cheap,
Yeah.
we play on an offline version, which means it doesn't authenticate with the Mojang servers.
Yeah.
That means that the only way to authenticate people is by checking their IP and their name, and if it matches, I allow them in, so that way you can't go into other people's accounts.
Yes.
The mods had stopped being supported like 3 versions ago, so I had to get the source files, make sure it supports the newest the brand new things,
Yeah.
upgrade the internal version check because apparently it's a single string that checks even if everything is right because safety.
I love string comparisons.
Yes, it happens once and it's like 8 characters long. Chase, stop that.
No,
Your computer can do like 700.
No, it gets better than that here. I've learned more cringe things about string comparisons. Did you know?
Okay, hold on. Let me
know
finish.
there's culture invariant string comparisons? Whoa.
Yes. I was surprised to know that. I thought only Google Sheets did that because a few months ago, I wanted to do a project with a friend.
Yeah.
And it required us going on Google Sheets. The sheet ran fine on my end because I have the US English version.
Yeah.
It broke on his end because it tried to do multiplication on a floating point number, but it had a point instead of a comma. What the hell? I didn't know there was such thing in Windows by default.
Yeah, me neither.
I knew
and now
Excel
I'm constantly paranoid of all the places where that might be an issue.
I know.
I wrote some code to compare some strings in the mod loader check I just pushed because it has to parse the fucking command line.
Yeah, that's fun.
I'm just gonna not question it until someone reports it.
Why is that a thing to... It's a computer, it's supposed to be standard for everyone, that's the point of it, no? Just make it use the US thing.
I just heard a USB disconnect noise, which is not filling me with hope.
Oh.
Did it copy everything?
Oh god, yeah.
Ah. System cannot
Presumably
yes.
not.
That was probably the USB disconnect noise. Okay, well it's connected it at least.
Geez, did you break your hard drive?
No, not yet.
And it looks like you bricked it. Anyway, so yeah, I had to get the source files.
Hang on, that's my D drive. That's my internal drive.
What have you done to your computer?
Features. Maybe it's complaining that it can't copy to the external drive, which is where this project is. But it's not showing.
Why do you have it on your... What madman are you?
Space. I should probably move it. But I already set
You
up the
move
GitHub.
things, you move projects that are done to the hard drive, and then you work on active projects on your main drive.
That would make sense, wouldn't it?
Yes.
Yeah, but I might want to come back to any of my ancient projects at like a moment's
Then you
notice.
pull them
never
back.
know. Oh, okay.
Then you pull them back.
Yeah, but then that fucks up the GitHub, and I have to set up the GitHub again.
Well, that's fine. No one cares about the GitHub.
But I care about the GitHub.
Well, no.
Oh, okay.
That's a good point, actually. How do companies do it so they don't break GitHub links and things like that?
But probably they just buy big enough drives that they don't have my fucking problem, and also
Well,
get
okay,
servers,
but
so
when
I
the
can
game is
store
done
it.
and they shove it on like a server somewhere deep inside the
Yeah, but
network.
it was already on a server to begin with. That's the difference, and they'll have a fuck ton of hard drive space. They just don't have to give a shit.
Oh, and the references link. Yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah. Okay, well, the trains aren't here.
Oh yeah,
so
because
I
the
guess
problem
I
with your
should
external drive is it can't power itself. Yes, that's good. That's a good point.
Yeah.
I mean, you could make it power itself, but you should.
I could get a fucking file server if I was really motivated, but considering I'm currently failing to purchase a new CPU,
Let's get that started. What GPU do you have again?
1060.
Right, you're poor.
It works fine.
That's like half a gigabyte of RAM.
It's got 6.
What? Isn't it 5?
6 gigabytes of VRAM.
Oh. Yeah, you're not that poor. You're just slightly poor.
Why doesn't it?
I don't have
do
a
it?
much better GPU to be clear, but
Do the thing.
okay, why are you importing it directly into Unity? Oh no! Oh my
'Cause I
god,
need
no!
all
It's
the
your
scripts.
it's your project that's on the fucking external drive. God damn it!
Yes. There we go.
Why is the bin sideways by default?
Because when you model things in Blender, the coordinate system is different. You know. Oh,
When-
it was copying it. Unity wasn't fucking updating. What? I've never seen that before.
Well, it's almost like you have the thing on the external drive. Why do you have that? Dude, fix that right now.
No, because I've already set up the
Stop.
GitHub for it.
Stop everything you're doing. Move the project and then set up the GitHub again. It's only going to cause more problems
No,
on
but
the
I need to
long run.
push the changes I already have to GitHub so I can just download them again without having to fucking copy all my files over.
Okay, upload
Okay.
everything to GitHub. Kill this project and re-download the GitHub project on another one.
But
while
the
keeping
other
link.
problem is I don't know if I set up the GitHub project correctly because it doesn't have all the files, which I think is good. I think.
Yeah, you probably should not upload all the Unity and the packages. That's a very funny joke. So in
Yeah,
in
they're
Java,
not there, but I'm not sure all of them are there, so I have to check another Unity project that I know works on GitHub for reference. You know, I haven't got around to doing that.
In web development, there's this fun thing called packages. Yeah, because you just write simple, awful code.
Yeah.
Well, relatively simple as compared to like a full game. When you upload the packages and they're like 15 gigabytes of just packages, it's very fun seeing GitHub explode.
Anyway, it's working
Anyway,
now. Don't worry about
I
it.
can see that.
It's mostly sounds, which I didn't need, so I'm gonna go delete them now.
Have you move your project?
I'm
This is
gonna
not a joke.
restart Unity!
Move your project.
Irdna, this is cyberbullying. Come on, Irdna.
Yes.
How dare you? How dare you? Okay. What's my hard drive space looking like right now? Oh, 3 gigabytes of space here now. Oh, luxurious on the.
Oh
D
my
drive
god,
right now.
Jesus Christ. So you see the ping in the top left you have? I thought that was on my screen and I wanted to click it.
Don't worry about it.
I attempted clicking it, it didn't work. That's a fancy high-speed train you got there. The cables, god, I hate the cables.
Cope, Irdna, cope.
And the speed limits, I forgot the speed limits weren't rounded.
Yeah, Erdna, the speed limits are like internally in meters per second, right? But you can format. Like I bet the actual speed limit has decimal places, but it's rounded, right? So there's no reason why you couldn't write your own speed limit sign script that rounds it to the nearest 10 meters per second.
Gotcha.
But internally the trains. Internally, the trains are using like floating point numbers for the speed limit.
Did I tell you to make well cars for the containers?
I don't know.
Because you don't have that in Europe, do you?
I feel like the actual issue is that it would have hit the fucking power lines if I didn't make well cars, even.
I don't think so. Containers are quite small compared to locomotives.
Yes.
You typically use well cars when
my
you double
music
stack
stopped.
because
Oh no.
yes.
Why is it stopped? Yes, continue watching. There we go.
YouTube when it stops the music because yes.
Yes.
Why would you want your music to keep running? You know.
Well, presumably it's like for when you fall the fuck asleep. They don't want to keep streaming shit to you, you know?
Why not?
Well, asleep people can't appreciate music.
That's not true.
Prove it.
When music plays and I fall asleep and then the music stops, I wake up. Therefore, I was clearly enjoying it in my sleep. But fuck too.
That's probably a flight sim.
3 years ago.
That's probably a flight sim.
I like that it has the no version too. That's great.
But yeah, that's because the version of Unity that it ran on, I've uninstalled from my computer since then.
You have very few clips in there. How many clips do you actually have
Clips? What do you mean?
in the Be Right Back menu?
I don't know. It's whenever I use my website.
The stream has collapsed since you started loading Unity.
It's fine, don't worry about it. But yeah, I think it's just the train project.
But how many actual clips in it? Because it looks like the clips are repeating quite often.
Yeah, because it's only video. I didn't like make this video specifically for this stream. I just got stuff from my website. So it's only like the 2 or 3 clips from my website. It's Mechanical Madness. It's the mech game and it's the train game. And then
The mech game? I haven't seen the mech game yet.
Yeah, you have. It's the Datalink one.
Oh, that mech game.
Yeah. I could probably put more stuff here, but also I want to do an entirely different thing, because it's funnier when there's Twitch. Text-based adventure game. When I say text-based adventure game, what I actually mean is, like point-and-click adventure game, but it's 3D, and you interact with it via text.
Sounds hilarious. Riz should write the script. I think Riz has very awful ideas.
Riz, you should write the script, even though I can add NPCs that you can talk to if you want an actual script. Riz, you in the chat right now.
Twitch voice act.
No, I don't need Twitch to voice act. Okay, I get. Wait, no, because it's like majority vote, right? So Twitch has like possessed this person, right, and they're controlling their actions, right? So they have like a dialogue tree as well.
I agree. The implications are far
and then
worse.
everyone can like vote on like which dialogue option they want, and like there'll be like a timer that slowly ticks down, right? So you like 15 seconds to pick a dialogue option, right? And it'll be like Ava Simdate 3 or whatever the fuck that game was called, where like one of the options is the obvious bad option and it will always kill you. Oh, it's so fucking funny. Right.
But your trains don't have pantographs.
No, because they're both diesel locomotives here now.
The high-speed train is a diesel locomotive?
Yeah, it's a the Class 43. It's a diesel locomotive.
Didn't know that. I mean, writing pantograph code sounds painful enough as it is.
It's not bad.
You have to write IK for your train cheese.
Wait, I actually don't, because the wire doesn't sag.
Your wires suck, cheese.
Even when my wire is perfectly tensioned. Wow, cringe fail. Audio, don't need that folder. Editor, don't need that folder, but I might need some of the code in that folder. Box sections. Oh no, I literally don't need this folder. Okay. Delete.
Wipe it all.
Materials. Yeah, I'll need that if I want to keep the models.
Probably. So, how are you gonna make the track then? You could steal the track from the other game, the Subbox.
Yeah, but I want to keep the style from Mechanical Madness. So, you know. Train. I don't need the train. I can just delete the trains, right?
Maybe.
Models, FBX, train, fuck off. And we don't need the train prefabs. Yeah, we don't need any of these. So prefabs, train, fuck off. Trackside props is what I'm assuming this folder is for.
Management probably
level
too.
crossing, level crossing. I never use the level crossing for aspect signals. I don't need
Yeah, but that's hard to do. You also, in management, you don't need that, do you?
I do need management because that has stuff like the
To build a track, right, okay.
track manager, which is dealing with all the spawning like track models and shit. Oh,
Well, yours
should I thread my track generating code? Because I can do threaded mesh generating code now because I have that in another project.
Mesh generating code?
Yeah, you know the what's it called?
Doesn't the GPU do that?
No. Right, because I get the existing track mesh, right? That's straight.
Okay.
And it's like a certain length, and I bend it to make the new shape. So I have to move all the.
Oh.
Yeah.
Again, doesn't the GPU do that?
No, because I do it once, and then it's like a separate instance of the mesh on in RAM. You know?
That sounds awful.
Yeah, but I can do it with the GPU now, because you know the airship testing game that I had.
Yeah.
That one's got like procedure to generate a train with threading for the meshes.
Yeah, that could probably work now, yes.
Yeah. Yeah, that was what I wanted to do for the train project, but I never set it up.
Okay, but here's the thing. Most developers, okay, when they don't thread the game, they don't implement like a loading bar or something, because when the game stops lagging out, you understand it's done, or when it starts responding again, okay? That makes sense.
Yeah.
When you thread something and it doesn't appear instantly and it has no loading bar, you have no idea when it's going to be done, what your CPU is doing, or make a loading bar. Please. Make the UI work.
Okay.
That's like step number 1, I believe, in UI for this.
I don't need any of these trackside models, do I?
It's also
Level
used for
crossing
debugging.
side.
You're being called, Jason.
Am I? Okay. Here
Yes.
we go.
You are still streaming Discord, right? Oh no, you're not. Never mind. Back to the idea of the GPU doing the meshing.
That require writing shaders.
Yeah,
Actually, no, it require like bones.
Okay. Well, you should do that then.
Why?
Because the GPU is good at doing a lot of repetitive shit very quickly.
Skinned mesh renderers are more expensive.
Sorry?
Skinned mesh renderers are more expensive.
What, them all?
Box section. I don't need that. Track holder. Don't need that. Track.
I love the more I realize that your mech game is a mech game, the more I realize that why are the sewers so big, cheese?
There was meant to be
Who
more than
needs-
one level because I didn't want it all to be a sewer level. Never around that.
Yeah, but why are the sewers 16 meters tall and
So
32
you can
wide?
fit a mech inside of them here, so why else?
Okay,
Mhm.
but from a civil engineering perspective.
I didn't ask.
Okay.
Okay, so I don't need this AI folder at all. Light controller. Example day-night cycle. I don't need any of those.
And before you do,
In before I don't need them.
okay.
I just go get them. Geometry profile, block section. Okay, we're getting somewhere. We're getting somewhere. We don't need block sections.
You know what Unity really needs?
What?
Timestamps.
For what?
In logs, in the
do.
bottom left where
They
it
have
says...
logs.
Well, yeah, but on the bottom left one.
Why would you need that?
Just because I want to see when's that from. Sometimes I try to fix an issue that doesn't even exist.
It's there.
Okay,
In before it's. Oh, you can't ever click on it. It's not safe.
exactly.
This sounds like a you problem, honestly. You know?
Okay.
Yeah, we don't need that.
I like that you call the aspects of the chain signals aspects and not states like I do, which is just incorrect.
I'm
but, you
I'm just better than you, Aaron, is what I
know. Exactly.
Ambient transponder? No, I don't need that. Coupler? No. Coupler? No. Door controller? No. Door state? Is that just a script for the door state?
Clearly. Have you never written entire classes for like 2 variables? Damn.
Closed, moving, open. Wow. Door side. Ooh. Okay, never mind. It's got 2 units.
I'm glad you didn't spend too much time on my game looking at it because you'll find a lot of classes that look like the door state.
That's fine.
Literally Lauren
literally
everywhere.
That's fine.
No.
Honk.
I could have done it so much better.
Honk.
Your trains can honk?
Yeah.
Did you ever implement that?
Yes.
Oh, when?
Oh, I remember why. Yeah, you could tag train tracks as like specific places where trains would honk as they drive over them.
Oh, to go for level crossings and all,
Yeah.
which you never.
But
implemented.
ideally, I also would have programmed them to honk before starting off. Maybe I did.
And stopping, please. It's important.
Why would they honk when they're stopping?
Cargo trains do that. I don't
Oh,
know.
I've stopped. Ooh, honk honk. Ooh. Oh yeah, the reason why I left is apparently I have to help my mother use the Chromecast. Ooh.
Yeah, why did you buy fucking Chromecast?
I don't know,
There
but hey, someone
so
else is
many
using-
better options out
someone
there
else is
than a
using it,
Chromecast.
so it's technically useful, you know.
Oh god. Yeah, but you could have bought it again, an Nvidia Shield that does the same thing 16 times better.
Yeah, but can you get ads on fucking YouTube with an Nvidia Shield? No, you probably still can.
Well, you see, I have this fancy thing that I want to buy at some point in time that removes ads from all over the internet that goes into my house. I don't remember what it's called. It's something about
What is
Cloudflare.
this? What the fuck is this?
No, you're using some C++ shenanigans in there, some
No,
compiler shenanigans in there.
compiler flags. Don't worry about it.
Yeah.
Train car, train. Well, we don't need those. We do need the train manager, though, I imagine. But how much of it is a different matter. Utility, alignment mode. Ooh. Summary, how.
Oh, you're
to
using
align-
XML shit in this one. Oh boy.
Yeah, because I want to get marks for my shit.
Oh, that's true.
Oh, this is actually super useful. Yeah, we're keeping that. Fuck yeah.
Public vector P0, P1, P2. That's a beautiful naming scheme, cheese.
Pulse road's good. Remove geometry on save.
Oh, this is for the actual.
Yeah,
That is
yeah,
where it's
these are all
also-
useful scripts. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Right.
This is an internal fill. Right, I remember. I know.
Yeah. Textures that we don't need. We do need those.
Oh, hi.
Do we?
Well, not for the trains. things.
No, because it's at least 3 important. Track patterns. This is presumably track profiles, rather.
What? Oh,
Yeah, those are right. Yeah, train patterns. We don't need train patterns. We don't need trains. Right. You want to read the documentation now that I've stripped out all the features?
yes.
Great.
It will only be like I don't know what documentation is awful to use. What documentation is horribly out of date, cheese? Off the top of your head.
I don't know.
The
Train
Stormworks
manager prefab. Whoa.
Stormworks lacks all of the new functionality. It's always fun.
This script is missing. It's probably bad anyways. Train navigation. You don't need that. Train manager. So this is track prefab.
You make me want to boot up Unity and do something too, but I have to hold on myself. I have things to do.
You can.
I have things to do. If I start doing something, I'm never gonna get done with it. With the other things I need to.
Alright, we should probably fix all these scripting errors that came from, deleting random shit from the train tools. Reserve block. Oh, well, we don't need the block section script, do we?
Why not? Perhaps you need your track to have block sections, one car at a time, just like a rail race.
No. Oh, track segment. Well, track segments don't need any shit referencing trains anymore, do we?
Could your trains couple together and not?
No, they're always, connected. You can't...
Geez, you have a random string in there, line 32. End of the line.
Don't worry about it. Yeah, there's the use horn flag.
Ah, cool.
And then this is use lights, so you can mark where tunnels are.
I mean, I think trains are supposed to run with lights on at all times anyway, but
Yeah,
joined
but
the stream.
then I don't get to program lights. Hello, OAX2. I assume you are definitely a bot. But welcome back.
what does that actually mean? Let's see.
Yeah, it's just gonna fucking crash your PC if you type it in. Just that one hex code is the
Oh, that's not actually valid. That's not actually valid text. Don't worry about it.
Okay. Spawn geometry parent. Ooh.
But I'm dyslexic, therefore I cannot read.
Geometry parent. Register track. Okay,
Oh boy,
well,
you gave even more awful names than mine. You know what you named mine? You named
What?
two different. You told me to name them two different function names.
What?
You had attached to track and move to track.
Yeah.
Those sound very similar to me, and I could never differentiate which one was which.
You can rename them.
I could have, but I didn't do it.
Right, destroy block if empty. Block section. Okay, well that's pointless because we don't have block sections anymore. Runtime generation. What the fuck?
What's saving mode, and why is it a special thing? Special type. Jeez.
What do you mean?
Line 37, saving mode, has the funny Unity color.
It's weird. Don't worry about it.
Okay.
Okay, so okay, so when you move the vertices on the mesh, right? It's a new mesh, right?
Okay.
So where's this mesh stored? It's stored in the scene file.
Okay.
So if you store a bunch of track, right, it's basically containing a fuck ton of unique meshes in the scene file.
Yes.
That makes the scene file quite chunky.
Yes.
It's a bit big, you know, when you submit to the version
Little bit.
control, and I got sick of it, waiting for it to fucking submit to the version control. So, I made it so it doesn't save in the scene.
Also, it generates on
Basically, what it
on
works,
run?
if you change the mode, when you push save, what it does is it
Okay.
deletes every mesh in the scene, so the scene has no meshes in it, right?
Okay.
Every track mesh, not every mesh. And then it saves, so then the scene's really
Oh,
cool.
and when you
then it
take
spawns them all back
oh,
in.
God.
So it looks like nothing's changed, but it takes a really fucking long time to save, because it's gonna regenerate all the fucking meshes.
Oh God. Well, you've just taken the time from uploading to another time, though.
Yes,
Is it faster?
so what I did instead was I disabled that mode, because, like, my muscle memory is to constantly save, right? I
Okay.
disabled that mode, and then just before I do it to the version control, I'd save it again, but with nothing in the scene, because I'd switch the mode, and then I'll upload it, and then switch it back again.
Jesus Christ. Okay. That's
Yeah, and that
very
way
fucking
you get
cool.
all the speed of the fast mode with all of the not fucky wucky of the version control. Yeah.
That's cool.
That was
okay.
it was jank. There's definitely if I just threaded everything, it would be so much easier. This is some code.
I'm not sure if it's possible to subscribe to. You're even asking questions and answering them. It's great.
The answer is yes, it is possible.
I mean, you know, an old check, an old how do you call that?
No, because you can't
Lists.
check for subscriptions as far as I can tell in C#. It's a bitch.
Lamo.
Fucking hate it. Yeah, but I don't need any of this code because, oh boy, would you believe it? All this is happening at runtime now. I'm not actually doing anything in the editor. Wow, crazy. Light level. Well, we don't need that, do we? Generate geometry after saving. Don't need any of that. Track segments. Might need that. Track prefab. Definitely need that. But all this can piss off. I don't need saving though, do I? Right, lovely. On validate, you don't need that. Delete empty blocks. Well, we don't have blocks anymore, so
Why not? You should use blocks.
we don't have blocks. Scene save.
Oh, I
we
only
don't
made the
need
joke. That's why I was getting a move from that.
add tracks. That's fine. Remove tracks, that's fine. Spinal geometry. I'll probably need that at some point. Delete track. That's fine.
Jeez, is it me or have you absolutely fucked your coloring editor? Your coloring as ID.
Yes, I'm very annoyed by that, and I don't know why it's happening.
Nothing is colored.
Yeah, it's probably all these reds. It's probably all this red shit.
Oh God.
Let me just close everything. Why is it unhappy? Checked in. Is it a version control thing? Maybe. Register bogey. There's no more bogeys. Deregister bogey. No more bogeys. Points. There's no points. Block section. Nope. Find connecting track. Spicy. Yeah, that's quite spicy. I think we should delete this function and force me to write it properly in the future.
You write janky codes? Jeez, that's illegal.
Update. Used to easily update connections. Yeah, I can see why that might be a bit redundant. Update connection track position.
Okay, cheese. You need redundancy in your code. What if what if the first function breaks during operation?
No. Fuck off. That looks bad. The application is playing. Yeah, that's not supported.
Okay,
Let's try to
I have
do
a
it
question.
from-
I've looked at your GitHub and you don't comment your code like this. Is it because it was an end of year project?
Yes, because it's a fucking assignment. Would you believe I didn't comment on my code and then last second I just fucking spam commented everything? Oh.
Yeah, that's always great.
Yeah. They can't say, oh, you didn't copy your code. Yeah, but I did a fucking bunch of useless comments also. Nah, it's not that bad.
But to quote, see, if the code is self-explanatory, do you really need to comment it?
Yeah.
But at the same time, C writes very, very awful janky shit because of how Harmony works with V12VR.
Yeah.
Oh, we're looking at 2 more errors, jeez. The block section related to, clearly. You forgot some block
segment
section.
utility, delete signals. Well, we don't have signals anymore.
Why not?
Because I deleted them. Spawn signals, we don't have
will
those
the cars
anymore. Delete track geometry. Yeah, that's fine. We don't need that. We don't need that. Okay, we can probably thread this later, but right now I don't give a fuck. Oh, do we still have end caps? I think we should still use end caps. Although end caps don't get distorted.
Are you one of those people that keeps the end caps even if the other tracks overlap it?
Well, yes,
I know
but
some
not
games that do
intentionally.
that, and
Yes, but not intentionally.
what do you mean?
Yeah, fuck you, Wookie Bug. Ooh.
Okay.
This code works out if it's necessary to spawn the end caps on the beginning of the segment. Wow. Wow. Yeah, that's not bad. Track generator instance.generate geometry. Yeah. Extend track forwards. Oh, this is like editor functions. We don't need these. Extend track backwards. Yeah, these are all editor functions. Connect forwards. Yeah, we'll have to write our own thing for that. Connect backwards. We'll have to rewrite that. Create new track. No. Move to new block. Doesn't matter. Spread block forwards. No, that's irrelevant.
Spreading.
Speed limit signs. Irrelevant. Auto set speed limit. Irrelevant. Calculate absolute max speed. That's relevant for racing line logic, but not relevant here. Point to radius. That's dependent on the other thing. Calculate max speed. Yeah. Okay. Right. We did it. Look how clean that is. Ooh. Wow. Great.
It's fixed everything.
Yeah, it sure did, huh?
The worst is most of this shit could have been figured out if you know, you had proper coloring, because I think you
What the
noticed
fuck is this? Remove geometry on save? Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna be doing a bit of deleting, which is kind of satisfying in its own way, you know?
At this point, would it not have been easier to copy what you needed and faster?
No, because we still have to fix all the fucking errors.
Yeah, but it would be less than, you know, this wall that you just received because of some random code you've written that you cannot find.
It don't be highlighting though, huh?
Fix your referencing, please.
I don't know how to fix this shit, that's the problem.
Unity? Not Unity. Is it a Visual Studio problem or a Unity problem? What do you think?
I think it's probably both.
Visual Studio not showing colors in Unity after downloading after importing, right?
No, I think it was fucky earlier today as well. It's not specifically because I imported.
Have you tried restarting it and opening the solution itself? Like, from the file? I don't know.
No.
That would be what I would do at least. Step 1, close Visual Studio. Okay. Cheese.
Yes.
As your self-appointed personal Googler, I recommend you do what I tested
Yeah,
out.
but
I
I've got all
recommend
these errors I could be fixing right now, Aiden.
it. You could fix them by figuring out why they're practically the same error. No,
No.
you deleted reference to them. No,
No. Type or namespace
Okay.
block section. Yeah, we just don't need that. I know. It tracks.
did you know you can double click a link, double open a link? I didn't know that.
Equals
Well.
runtime generation. Do we need to generate? Application is playing. It's fucking. There we go. That was difficult. Yeah, I should have foreseen the amount of fucking refactor. I didn't think there'd be this much refactoring that was necessary. Clearly, I was wrong. Name block section does not exist in the current settings. Andro Gizmo. Oh, who cares? Ooh. Not contain definition for update connections. Not contain a definition for create new track. Yeah. Track holder. These are all editor things. Track holder. We don't even need track holder, do we? Delete. I think I almost fixed them all here. I think it's almost done.
You haven't fixed the reference link issue, therefore you haven't fixed them all.
I said almost. I didn't say done.
Fix the reference link issue.
How about you go?
Stop whatever you're doing, please. It's bothering me.
How about you go? We'll do that after I fixed all the errors. How about that? How about that?
You could have done it in the beginning, and it would probably have fixed you.
Why
have
would
helped
it
you
help me?
fix
I
it.
don't look at the comments.
Oh.
Right. Okay. Now what? What do you want me to do to fix the internet? Come on.
Hold on. Close Visual Studio, and probably
Okay.
Unity too. Actually, no, not Unity.
Okay. I closed Visual Studio.
Edit. Is that it? Okay, just do what I said first instead of doing, because this guy wants to rebuild the entire fucking thing. Just open the solution. Yeah.
When will Marsh push my shit? Not that I really want to play Vito right now. Erna, at what point do you think I should post to have the instructions of how to access the public branch in the
As soon as you can, probably. Okay,
the main
let's try the
server?
other.
I don't think it's worth posting in the modding server because
Okay, close Visual Studio again.
Why?
Because you need to Unity to regenerate the references.
Okay, what do you want? What do you want? What do you want? What do you want?
Edit preferences, external tools. External tools. Then go to the part that says external script editor. Where is it?
Excellent. Yeah, it's Microsoft.
Yeah, that's
Visual
fine.
Studio.
Make sure to generate. Make sure generate all CS project files is checked. Is it?
Yeah. Regenerate project files.
I guess, yeah, and regenerate project files. I'll probably tell you when it's done. I don't know.
Presumably it's a very short operation.
You would think so, but
I
also
would
probably
think
not.
so, and I've been wrong before.
Exactly. No, I guess.
So which script did you want to edit? Because I'm
Oh.
fine now, honestly. I don't feel like I need to edit any more scripts.
Whichever has, any kind of types in it, which would be all of them.
Okay, well... Let's get one of these fun editor ones.
No, it's taking a bit longer. Maybe it's worked. Preparing solution. Okay, it's definitely done something. Has it fixed it? Hey, it's fixed it.
No.
I can't. No, never mind. That's just my screen fusing together the colors as your screen died.
Nice. Yeah, I'm not fixing it, it's not worth it.
Oh my god. Okay, fine.
I will remind you, I did used to program everything in Notepad++, so... It's not like I need. As
You've been
much as
trained for this.
IntelliSense is very, very fucking useful, it's not like I need it.
For this kind of thing.
Fucking Stormworks, man. The Stormworks fucking IDE.
It's not an IDE, cheese.
Stormworks... What do you want me to call it? A feature?
Well, it's not even a text editor. That's the problem. You cannot copy paste in it properly. That's the problem with it.
What's the word? Prototype. Prototype.
Yeah. Rudimentary text inputting software.
Cube.
Eden.
Let's go like there-ish. Let's get a big cube. Actually, while we're at it, I need, for reference, I need...
What are you making?
What shall I use as the track, like a placeholder? The viaduct? Do you want to use the viaduct?
Well, for like the thing below it, probably.
Like, no, like the placeholder car tracks. I don't have an actual model.
Oh.
yet.
Yeah, that's probably gonna work best.
Okay, it's like 10 meters wide, isn't it? Yeah, that'll do. And then we'll
Make it like twice as thick.
Well, make the track
How wide?
larger.
No, the track, the thing, scale it by 2 on the
This
red
one?
axis. Yes,
Why?
divide that. So it looks more like track
Hmm.
on the track axis. X. There you go.
Okay, but like, how... It's like, how wide is a racetrack?
I don't know. How wide is yours in your first game?
I don't know!
Oh my god.
Can we do it like working backwards from how wide a car is?
I'm gonna open Google Maps and I'm going to check how wide my local track is.
Why would you use Google Maps? Just Google a famous racetrack.
Because this is clearly the best way of doing it.
Sure it is here now.
The map isn't working, hold on. My mouse started double clicking, which I don't like. It may be the end of its life. That's not a track, that's a passing lane. It is 14 meters wide.
14?
14.
Hmm. Close enough.
It's close enough to yours,
Close
yeah.
enough, yeah.
Okay, I'll be back in like 20 minutes.
Okay.
Maybe less, hopefully less.
Okay. I might go eat food before then, if you're still... Oh, that's wrong. What the fuck is this? Ooh, banger. Dim web. Nice. Oh, this is fucking good. Holy shit.
Great walks. I'm leaving now, bye.
Alright, see you. Tracks. Oh, nice. Horse track. Hey. Yeah, that makes sense.
Guess who's back?
Back again. Shady's back. Tell a friend.
Yes.
Oh.
Red Fox has left, if you have not seen that message.
I did see that message. Don't you worry. Look what I've got here now.
Based on select end. Oh wow, actual inheritance.
Yeah, actual inheritance.
I remember I did C++ one time. It's like, at this point it's like an ancient light because I don't remember anything from it. I remember inheritance being an absolute bitch in C++.
It's kind of annoying. It's not bad. Hey, Yidna.
Yes.
Don't worry about it.
Okay. Why did you call out my name then?
Good question. Right. Okay. You'll see.
No, I'm only wrong.
Let me show you what I've got here now. Let me show you what I've got.
Jeez, are you watching your own stream?
Yeah, on my phone.
Oh, well, we're the last two left
Last to what?
on the stream.
Yeah, that doesn't seem unlike that.
I'm quitting too because I want to play a video game and my GPU is going to explode on itself.
Okay.
I remember you having very fancy code for distributing the arches equally on the
You say very
on the
fancy,
track.
It's like no.
Oh, it's very fancy as in the way that it makes it look cool, not as in it's complex or good code.
Okay, and then this is backsetting. Right, so if I haven't fucked this up, you ready for some shit?
I'm ready. Yes.
Wait, we also have to...
Show me the shenanigans.
No, because I forgot a step. And then update... Oh, fuck. God. How do you...
Announcing studio development strategy. What the fuck is this?
Yeah, they're gonna make new game, that was the thing. Oh, and also they announced the Fucky Wucky block that no one knows what it is. They mentioned it previously, but go read the comments. The comments are way more fun.
Did they add it in? I didn't even know. Oh my god, I didn't even know you could have comments on this. Why is that plane not an AWA? Yeah, that's a fair question. I guess a huge disappointment. The Mao no Stormworks 2 for you. This game is near impossible to because of video. You're gonna fix this goofy game. What did you want me to look at specifically?
I don't know. Nothing. The Goofy R game was pretty funny. I like that comment. They're never gonna fix this Goofy R game.
I paid 3 fucking DLCs for this piece of shit, only to announce that they're closing it 3 months later.
Yeah.
Short-term strategy, and in the long term, there are better ways to serve our players. Yeah, fix your fucking game. Rework it from the ground up, perhaps. I have examples of games doing that, and it works very well for them. So why don't you do that?
I don't know. I can't follow.
Like, if you lack money, do a side project, okay. But reworking the game that makes you the most money, doesn't that make sense? You're like 4 people.
What the fuck is a combined track model?
What the fuck is a kilometer?
What the fuck is a kilometer?
Okay, Have to play shitty train game. Cheese, you should have stopped what you're doing and joined me.
Why is this class
No.
not static? Why is this class not static? Why is this class
No.
not static? Even this class could be static.
As opposed to what, movable?
Do you
I don't
know
actually know
static means?
what the actual other thing to
Okay,
static
if it's
is.
static, it's okay. So if it's not static, you can have instances, right, of the class, right? So you can have as
What?
many.
What do you mean?
If I had a class, say like bus, right, I could have as many fucking
Okay.
buses as I want, right? I can have as
Okay.
many copies of the bus. But if it's static, you only have one. But,
Okay.
but the advantage of that is you can call functions on it from anywhere. 'Cause
Okay,
It's only one, so you always know where it is.
I see.
Yeah. This function doesn't have any variables, and it only contains functions that are called from other parts of the code, so it could just be fucking static.
Oh, you
Yeah.
just forgot.
Oh, fucking forgot.
I want to boot up Unity. I want to so much. I want to get started on the idea I got for the Beetle VR mod, but I cannot. I will never exit it again.
Which one?
Editor tools, because I hate myself. I want Sipun's approval. Why do I have a single locomotive? I have active jobs. Why is it? Oh my god. Wow, okay, so this is really the only one that actually makes sense. You know what else makes sense?
These.
Your mother.
How could you, Irdna?
Sorry.
Right, Irdna.
Like-
Okay, watch my Discord stream.
Dream?
Watch my Discord stream.
I am.
Okay,
I
okay.
have
I
multiple
think
monitors, geez, I'm
if I've
literally
done this right, it'll fucking work.
looking.
Okay. It didn't work.
What is it supposed to do? Why are they different sizes, by the way?
What?
Start the game again, unpause it,
Mm-hmm.
and click on something. The gizmos are different sizes. Arrows.
They're all the same length.
The green one... The green one is bigger than the others.
No, it's not. Do you not understand how perspective works here?
This is a very fucky perspective, man.
This is a skill issue, isn't it? Anyways, yes,
also-
it was meant to update the mesh. It didn't.
Did it? Oh, these are the endpoints for it.
Yeah.
Ah.
In my mind, at least. In reality, not so much. Destroy may not be called from edit mode. Fuck off. What's calling this from edit mode? Fuck me. Spaghetti fuck. Execute in edit mode. Fuck off. No, do not execute in edit mode. Oh, fuck. Oh yeah, there we go, fixed it.
What the? Why did I fish through the floor? My fucking god.
What are you playing?
URL Valley. The game that you should also play.
Maybe I will, maybe I won't, who can say?
Is this just really fucking heavy? I guess it is. We have to go up a like 1.5%. Okay, that's actually good.
Where are my logs going, Erdna? What have you done with them?
What? What have I done?
Where are my logs going, Erdna?
I'm eating them.
What
Like
flavor?
I'm getting spoon fed them from the unit here. I'm eating them.
What flavor are they?
Bland. They don't really taste anything.
Oh, you know, I've fucking forgotten. I got a shit.
Surprising that in Deer Valley, I've only had my train explode under its own pressure twice,
Steam
and I've played this game a significant amount of hours. Sorry?
Or steam train or like physics engine between the cars?
No, yeah, physics engine between the cars. Like, it's only like under so much compression that the game just says, okay, up you go. I've had it happen when I braked very, very hard with the front locomotive only, while going like 70 kilometers an hour, approaching a 40. Yeah.
Erdna, I might have
Also,
fixed it.
sorry?
I might have fixed it, Erdna.
What did you fix? The end track?
Yeah.
From the end track, cheese. It should update live cheese. It's not good enough.
Well, too bad, Erdna. I haven't got around to that.
I dislike that it's not sitting on the origin.
What isn't?
The gizmo is not sitting on the origin of the track,
It's not the origin of the track.
but the origin of the thing moving it. The thing moving it. It's not on the.
Oh, Erdna, you know,
End
I've
of the
just
track.
noticed it's fucky.
What?
It's got half an arch every time.
Oh. That's not good cheese.
That's not good, is it?
Oh, thank God, a 60.
What the fuck? Why is it backwards? Okay, Eric, now what do you think?
What do I think?
Yeah.
I think you should. Oh, you fixed the arches. I think you should make it so that it's centered on the end of the track piece because now it's just outside.
Wait, yeah, no, because this is also meant to be a bit of road. This is like a square bit of road. And it's gonna
Oh.
connect up, is the idea.
I guess that's one way of doing it. Okay, then I guess it works fine. Yeah, it works fine.
Okay, but can we roll the track? Oh yeah, look at that, Erdna. Bank track.
Oh my gosh. Right.
Gotta do this in fucking Mechanical Madness.
You can. Well, that's
2
why you're
version
making
1.
it.
Yeah. How fucky can we get with this? Yeah. I mean, obviously, ideally, the supports would be part of a separate mesh so that they don't do that, but you know.
What's wrong with that?
Dunno, what is wrong with that? Oh, it would be nice to have an option to change the rotation mode to global.
I told you that was the first thing, cheese. It's
Yeah, but you know. This is cool. Come on, you guys, this isn't cool.
well, the cars fall off.
Yes. I was planning on like limiting the track angle to make sure that you can always make possible
No.
tracks. But
If
also,
you're gonna make
at the
your
same
track-
time.
If you're gonna make it so the tracks can be published, before publishing it, you should do like in Portal 2, where you have
like
to
a
check that the
validation mode.
English complete. Yes, you have to check that
Yeah.
it's possible for all cars to pass, and only then allow it to. Hi, Storm. Hi, Danny.
Hi.
Look at
Guess
this.
who has a voice now?
Danny? Storm?
Howdy.
Oh my god. Oh my. Danny with voice.
Danny, your voice. Hi,
Damn.
Danny.
Hello.
Danny, look at my car. It's cool.
You know what? You know who else has a voice, cheese?
Who?
God.
Oh.
Oh, you have one?
Storm, we can make NASCAR now. Are you happy?
No, I've turned religious last night after wanting to kill myself over code.
Ah.
Oh, that's facing the wrong way.
Storm.
I think it is. Yes, it is.
Storm, look, we can do NASCAR now.
Yeah, with fucking Ladas and pickup trucks,
Yeah, that's what NASCAR's about, right?
practically.
It's what it should be about.
Yeah, exactly. But yeah, Storm, look at this shit. Whoa. How do I? Yeah. Oh, also, yeah, it has support for props also. Because look at that. Look at you can put props on the track. What? What? It's like a real editor, except without saving and without, you know, a bunch of other nice things an editor would have ideally.
Why are we?
The rotation's fucky sometimes.
Are those garbage bins?
Yeah, they're wheelie bins.
Geez, I'm gonna finish the job that I'm doing right now in Dural Valley. Then I want to show you an editor that I really like how it does things, and I want to base your UI off of that because I think it's absolutely great.
Okay, should I do dragging? So the idea is, right, you spawn in these path tiles, right? Because this will be like a start
Okay.
thing. This can be like a start line and a finish line, right? And then the idea is
Okay.
it'll have like an arrow handle, right? So you know how it's got these handles, right? I can have another
Okay.
one like an arrow handle, and then I drag from that to the other one and let go, and then it will create track between them.
What?
So you spawn in this, right? When I add the spawning menu, you spawn in this square and this square, right? And then you drag an arrow from one end to the other, and then it will draw the track between them.
How will you draw things
Mate,
in 3D?
You drag it, and then it does this mesh.
Oh,
You just drag from one to the other, and then it connects them with the mesh. That's
Oh.
it. Yeah.
Yeah, that's
And
how it
also,
works.
if you drag it and then drop it in the middle of nowhere, it'll create a track to that point.
Yeah, that works, I guess.
Yeah.
I take it I'm going to be whatever.
Going to be.
I'll just continue my lazy bastard attempt.
I was gonna ask, would you want to play Factorio in like 20 minutes max?
Okay.
Then you went with voice.
Okay, I'll probably end the stream then. Goodbye. Goodbye, stream.
Goodbye, people that are not watching.